flowers, passion and desire, hot kisses and dreams, fill my heart like fire, dances in the rain, oh angel of dreams, whisper from your heart, and fling winding streams. Still I feel the pain, cause I'm losing you. I just want to sing my poems to you. It's so much to say to your eyes so blue. When the troubles do fill out my soul, I'll be like the sea that will never end. In your arms so sweet I just fall asleep. It's so much to say to your eyes so blue. I just want to sing my poems to you.